channel ab fab, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. As you full well know, it doesn't cost you any money. And make sure to hit the bell, and that way you'll be kept abreast of every time I upload a video. So I'm going to prop my card up here, and the first thing it says is that you basically want to start with your eyes. So like I said, I have foundation, I have concealer, and I have my Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer on. Okay, so it says number 1, they want me to take this color right here in the bigger pan, and I'm just going to take that with sort of the more fluffy of the two eyeshadow brushes. They're very, very chalky, very dry, but that's okay. Yeah, I don't mind this little angle brush. I mean, it's pretty good for a freebie brush, I'd have to say. So just going to make sure that I get that all in the center there. And Boysenberry is actually this bigger pan here, and that's quite lovely. It's also a iridescent purple, which is interesting for a day look. So I am going to take that with my angled brush. Going to dip into the Boysenberry there. Very interesting. All right, and if you see me looking off to the side, I do have my makeup mirror, so I'm just going to put that kind of in the crease of the eye. Just kind of working it up there, seeing what kind of pigmentation. That's not bad. Not bad, not bad. The interesting thing about their day look here is that literally it is just 2 colors on the lids, and then they do a different color kind of by the tear duct, which is really interesting. So I'm going to pick up a little bit more of that Boysenberry just to kind of cover it over this side, and take that other color that I swatched out, that very and I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pat it right in the middle of the eye. It's very iridescent. It does give an interesting sort of pop, kind of a halo look, especially if there's a little glitter there. Yep, that definitely helps to intensify. All right, so now it says for the rest of the color, so Pink Petal, which is up at the top of the compact, looks like a really, really pretty iridescent pink. So, there's a lot of fallout. And it says to take that kind of in by the tear duct and then the bottom lash line. So it says really to kind of complete the look, you want to do a soft eyeliner basically with the smoky black eyeliners. And considering that's the look that they want to achieve, I figured we'd go along with that. Actual eyeshadow look, it's not bad at all. Doesn't look too bad at all for those colors, which are very, very, very frosty. There was just the one that was the matte. Okay, so let's go to the next one. It says now to basically finish the rest of the face, and then we'll go back and apply mascara. That in the blush palette, which is this one right here, they have 2 blushes. They have Antique Rose, and they have this one in Sun Blush, they call it. Okay, and it says that you want to basically take the lighter pink of the 2 called Sun Blush, and you want to apply that to the apples of the cheeks. I have to say though, I do like this brush. This is quite nice. It's got a beautiful thick handle. As you can see, it's not overly pigmented, but it is applying just kind of a nice little blush to the cheeks. So I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, it's definitely not too much of enough blush. I think it's actually very, very subtle. So what does it say now for the lips? So the lips, they actually used 2 products. They used the lip pencil to outline the lips. This is in the color Natural. So there it is there, kind of your lips but better. Oh, I really like that. I mean, just that alone would be a nice lip color. That went on just really effortless. It was lovely and creamy. I'm really loving that, actually. Did I just go outside the line there? But that was effortless. That is like, oh, that is a big surprise to me. I'm going to be possibly, once I use this, I'll be looking into investing in a couple of their lip pencils. Never tried them. That was so creamy, so pigmented, just glided on effortlessly. And then for the color of the actual lipstick for this day look, they suggested out of the 4, and there are some beautiful ones. Here's the 4 here, full lipstick. So absolutely great value for this kit. That one I believe is in the color raspberry. They have this one, which is the Red Door Red. I mean, look at that. Wow, that's gorgeous, and love the packaging. And then they have this one, which is in the color Pretty Pink. And then, wow, look at this one. Oh, if you're into nudes, this is called Pale Petal. Yeah, so this is the one they suggest on the card. Has a very light fragrance, but very nice. And I'm going to use this lip gloss just in the center. And this is called Precious Petal Lip Gloss. Going to give that a little dab. Let's see how that sort of... Oh, that's really, really pretty. Is their Grand Entrance Mascara that I've told you about before that I love. My latest and greatest is Elizabeth Arden's Lasting Impressions Mascara that has a tapered wand to it with the natural bristles. This is my second favorite. This is the Grand Entrance in Stunning Black. And the nice thing is it doesn't give you tons of volume, but it gives you great length, and it actually helps to curl the lashes. Kind of like, that Roller Lash by Benefit. You know, those ones. So I'm just going to load that on. Sorry, I have to look in my mirror. Is it going on there? Definitely requires to be built up, this one, but it never clumps, it never flakes off. So that is the Elizabeth Arden World of Color day look. They look pretty nice, actually. Fairly pleased with that. Let me just give that a little fix-it spray. I will certainly edit it down. There you go. That's the finished look, you guys. I hope you really liked this with Elizabeth Arden and the World of Color. This is their day look, as per their card. Not too shabby, I'd say. Okay, until next week, you guys, as I always say, have an absolutely fabulous week. Take care. Bye for now. Bye.